distribution definition, distribution in a sentence, distribution pronunciation, distribution meaning. Welcome to another research paper word. American pronunciation of distribution. Distribution. Di-stri-bu-tion. Distribution. Distribution as a noun means the way in which something is shared or located across an area. Common usages in academic writing: a normal distribution, a fair distribution, a widespread distribution, the distribution of resources, distribution centers, a distribution network. Example sentences: distribution, noun. Grocery stores had a hard time keeping the product in stock. Even the distribution centers couldn't get their hands on enough. Example sentence number 2. Once plotted on a chart, the normal distribution can be seen. Example sentence number 3. They aimed to achieve a more equitable distribution of resources. Please write a sentence using distribute in the comment section. I will read it and reply. Now you know the pronunciation of distribution, the meaning of distribution, and distribution example sentences. I'll see you in the next research paper word video.